So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your VeryChat Telegram mining and the conversion ratio. So the VeryChat also have a Telegram mining, and you need to start mining it so that you can link your Telegram to your VeryChat mining app. And I'm also going to tell you the difference. The VeryChat we are mining on the app, mining the VeryChat coin itself, and the ratio is 1:1. But the one we are mining on the Telegram, conversion ratio is 200/1. Now, this is the main reason why you need to participate on the VeryChat Telegram mining. VeryChat team has allocated 2 million VeryChat points or token to Telegram. So participating on them on Telegram will enable you to get that 2 million VeryChat points allocated for Telegram. So that's the main reason you also need to start mining on Telegram as well. So the link will be in the video description. The Telegram link will be in the video description. Just click on more, you will see that. So once you click on the link, you can now see VeryChat coin trade. You click on start. So now they say join easy and safe Web3 journey with Very Network. Next on made with Unity. And right here you can see this is the VeryChat. I am currently in browser. I don't have anything here. I am currently in browser. So what we are mining here is points, and the ratio is 200:1. 200:1. That is the conversion ratio. So do this so that it will help you to earn more Very. After the conversion, you will receive it automatically on your Very app. So what you need to do, I'm going to show you the step by step on what you need to do. Now to locate your invitation link, you click on invitation, you copy it and share with your friends. I'm also going to drop it in the link. Now if you click on this end session, you have a lot of tasks to do. Now let's go back to mining first. This is how you tap to earn. Wow, as you're tapping, you are earning. So let's go to the end session. You have to take your time to do all these things. So I'm going to show you now how to link your Telegram VeryChat to your VeryChat app. Now you can see here they have a lot of tasks to perform. So you need to do this special task, which is to download the VeryChat. You set it up, link it to your mobile app, the VeryChat app. So what you do is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can now see here to bring you to Play Store. I already have the app, so you click on see in Play Store. So it's going to bring you here. Now you need to update your app. Click on update the app. Now after updating the app, you need to click on open. Open the app. You will be asked to put in your VeryChat app ID. So this is my VeryChat app ID, Stargear98. This is my VeryChat ID. So let's minimize and go back. So let's go back to Telegram. Now you are requested to put your VeryChat ID. You can see it here. You are requested to put it, so you know you have seen where I show you your Telegram ID. So let me tap my own Stargear98. So once you put it, you now click on send code. You click on send code. They have sent the code. Can you see they said code sent? Look at it, code sent. So let's minimize and go to the VeryChat app. So now to see the code, you click on this chart here. You click on this chart. Once you tap on the chart, you can see this is the code. VeryChat tap to earn. Your verification code is 567264. Let's go back. 567264. 567264. 567264. Now you click on verify code. Click on this verify code. Can you see it has tick good? That should I have performed this. I will be rewarded with 100,000 Very points. So if you go back to the mining, let's refresh. Let's refresh. To refresh, you click on here. Can you see I've gotten it? So I'm now in silver level. So after that, to make sure you claim your bonus, you tap on this bonus, tap on it to claim your bonus. 10,000 coin, get your rewards. So make sure you always claim your bonus. So this is what you need to do. Link your Telegram to your VeryChat app. You will be among the people that will share the 2 million Very point allocated for Telegram. Like I said, the conversion rate for this Telegram VeryChat mining is 200:1. So whatever thing you have, it will be divided by 200:1, and after that you will receive it. But the one we are mining on the app is 1:1 ratio. So that is the only difference. So make sure you do the task here to earn more points. The link will be in the video description. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.